Welcome back to the channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're gonna be recreating actually 90s makeup look part 2. So in my previous video, I showed you how to recreate something brownish. A lot of brown colors, a lot of bronzers. Makeup look that a lot of celebrities wore, especially J-Lo and Mariah Carey, some other models. I do not remember, Cindy Crawford, if I'm not mistaken. So a lot of these singers, models, just celebrities in general, they used to apply some brown colors, brown shades, red lipsticks, and just like vampy style makeup looks. And we did it in my previous part. But today we're gonna be trying out something girly, fun, sexy, like soft makeup look that used to be popular in 90s as well. So either you can find brownish shades, brownish colors in like 90s, or you can find a lot of bluish, purplish, pinkish shades from 90s as well. So this is part 2 when I'm teaching you, when I'm showing you how to recreate a little bit different makeup style. And this is actually how it turned out. If you're interested, then please stay tuned and let's get started. Well, let's say the best part about this makeup look, any 90s makeup look, is that it's super easy and it's like anyone can do that. I did off camera my foundation, practically the same routine as I did for my part 1 90s makeup look. I'd say this one is a little bit more successful. It's always like off camera makeup is much better always than on camera. Though I applied a little bit different blush today from Maybelline, if I'm mistaken. I don't really like it because it has some tiny, like really annoying pigment, the one that I do not like. Though I applied a little bit more of my More Makeup Academy blush. This one has no pigment at all. It's completely matte. That's why, I just applied. And it feels like I have some sunburn. Well, let me get started. And I'm talking too much, doing not that much. Let's get back to Essence. I love Intensifying Color eyeshadow base. I'm blending this out with my fingers. I checked out a lot of photos of celebs, like 90s celebs, practically was like Britney Spears, Christina Aguilera, Jessica Simpson, I guess that was Jessica Simpson, if I'm mistaken, I don't remember her. Reese Witherspoon, she's so cute, I mean, she's so nice. I still love her. I feel this, like a mom feeling. Not like mom, but like a daughter. Every single time I check her Instagram or some videos, it's just like she's so warm and so nice. I really want to hug her, and she reminds me of my mom, and like or elder sister. Just like someone that you can talk to, just relax. I don't know. Cameron Diaz. Oh my god, I forgot about Cameron Diaz. How could I? So yeah, but it's practically, I'm showing you these pictures because most of these women and celebrities, they had no brows whatsoever. They had like blue eyeshadows. Practically most of them were like blue. And they wore some lipsticks. This is like crucial for 90s. Or even some purples. Like purples, blues, nothing crazy, nothing crazy. I guess the best option is Matte Bright Beauty Bay eyeshadow palette. I can't tell you that this is like the best eyeshadow palette to recreate this makeup look, but this is not bad. This is kind of has a lot of pigments, a lot of shades, and let me go for maybe like purples. I'm gonna go to this shade, like really soft purple color, and I'm using like really beautiful precise brush. Tap it off, and I'm just gonna apply this all over the lid. I'm not even focusing this all over the lid. I'm practically stepping really close to my lashes. That's it. I feel like it's really well pigmented. I'm gonna use some clean brush and diffuse this shade like that. No color at all. Oh my god, why do I feel like 90s already? And I have some custard cream. It has some shimmers, it has some pigment, and I'm gonna be using pretty much the same blending brush. It has some leftovers from my previous shade. I'm grabbing a little bit, picking up a little bit of the shade, tapping off, and applying this all over the lid. So I'm kind of like, I'm toning down this shade a little bit so it looks like soft pink or soft velvet, almost have no color, but I do have some velvet color. And of course, last but not least, this is going to be Essence pigment. You can have, or you can use any pigment. I can't tell you if they used a lot of glitter. Practically, it's all about pigments. Like 90s is all about pigments. In my opinion, that was because matte shadows was really hard to recreate, and like only colors that they had, not only, but most of these colors were like blue and purple. And I'm placing this pigment all over the lid. So if you want to skip the part with the pigment, that's one thing, because I do know one of my subscribers, Blue Moon, she mentioned that she doesn't wear pigment or glitter at all because it gets into your lines. I get it, totally get it, because like I'm obsessed with any glitters and pigments, but it doesn't have to be perfect for everyone, perfect for you as well. It's just like it's good for me, and you just can skip this part. And of course, I'm gonna need the same shade. The beauty of 90s is that they didn't use dark colors under our area. I'm gonna use the same brush with some leftovers. They always had something on the waterline, and practically was something brown, dark brown, or black. I have like the tiniest like pen brush. This is the pen brush, and let me play with some blue shade, tap off, and diffuse a little bit. Nothing crazy. Practically in the inner corner, not inner, outer corner. Ouch, I kind of scratched my eye. Maybe I'm not gonna do any eyeliner today. I'm just gonna use some black shade, though you can use an eyeliner, depends on what you have. If you have black pencil, use black pencil. I just do not have any. And I'm using some angle brush as well. So final step is mascara. I guess it's obvious that most of celebrities, they didn't wear any falsies, and I'm into like more natural looks as well. I love simple mascara trick, and that's it. Like, can you feel the difference? So pretty, girly, natural, soft. Love it. 90s. I'm gonna do my left eye, my right eye, I guess on camera as well, but for my shorts, and then I'll be right back to show you the final step. Okay, and I'm done with my both eyes. The final step is to apply a little bit of lip gloss. This is going to be from Makeup Revolution. I have been having this lip gloss for so many months or years. I don't even remember when I bought this lip gloss. It's really pigmented. It's really pigmented. And I guess this one is going to be perfect for this makeup look for 90s. And it's like pink or something. Look at this. It's just like, yeah, some lipstick. Smells like some coconut or something. That's pretty much it. Yeah, a lot of colors, but it looks soft. At least I think it looks soft, because, you know, when I meet my friends, and some of my friends like, oh, you just like it came full force. Like, I was like, no, just some casual makeup. She said, you sure? I said, yeah. And you know, just like this is the perfect phrase when people say like, nice makeup. Is it like have you dressed up or something? And so I'm like, no. Am I extra or are you basic? And I was just, do not care about someone's opinion. Just like you have your own opinion, you have your own makeup, you have your own universe, and look at this. It turned out great. It turned out interesting, like 90s. Really soft eyes, very colorful lipstick, like a lip gloss. And if you feel like it's a little bit too much, you can always use some other lip glosses, just like with no color, clear lip glosses. I felt like it needed some color. I'm not going to use any lip contour, any lip pencil because it's just too much. It might be too much. And I guess that's pretty much it, guys. So if you really like this makeup look, then please let me know in the comments. Subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell. You know the drill. Like, actually, I keep saying this every single time, every single video. So if you didn't, then let me know what you didn't like about this video. Probably just it's not your thing. It's not your vibe. And that's it. I'm gonna see you next time. Love you guys. I hope I'm gonna see you next time. Bye bye.